Okay, this is another good 2 for 1. We learned one, the other one comes easy. It's this sort of I think they're what they call knight shapes. It's sort of an L or a 7, whichever way you want to look at it. How you tell the difference between these cases is the 1x2 bar and the front in the middle of the L on these has the single dot in the middle of the L. So we'll get rid of this one. And how you hold both of them performing the algorithm is that dot goes at the back. So we'll run through each one first. We'll run through this one first, then we'll go through this one. So this one, perform with your right hand. And it's pretty simple. It's a setup move, sexy move, undo setup move. Same as the other one, with your left hand. So we go R wedge, U, R wedge prime, sexy move, R, U, R prime, U prime, then undo that with R wedge, U prime, R wedge prime. So we'll go through that a couple of times quickly. R wedge, U, R wedge prime, sexy move, R, U, R prime, U prime, R wedge, U prime, R wedge prime. So we'll go through it twice more, then we'll move on to the other one. R wedge, U, R wedge prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, then R wedge, U prime, R wedge prime. So slowly once. R wedge, U, R wedge prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R wedge, U prime, R wedge prime. So going off that last algorithm, you could probably guess this algorithm, or do it now without even following along. But we'll go through it a couple of times anyway, just to make sure you get it. So we go L wedge prime, U prime, L wedge, L prime, U prime, L, U, L wedge prime, U, L wedge. And once again, with a dot at the back for both cases. L wedge prime, U prime, L wedge, and L prime, U prime, L, U, then L wedge prime, U, L wedge. So twice more. L wedge prime, U prime, L wedge, L prime, U prime, L, U, and then L wedge prime, U, L wedge. So one last time. L wedge prime, U prime, L wedge, L prime, U prime, L, U, then L wedge prime, U, L wedge.